Here is a quick review for Deepstash app. Deepstash app is actually an app where you can go ahead and have more knowledge about books. As you can see on the dashboard when you downloaded it, it is very organized from home, explore, library, and create. When you press on the explore, you can see the different books that you can read, or you can go ahead and press on the audiobook so that you can hear it instead. On the library, you can go ahead and see all your bookmarks as well as the books that you reserve for read later, which is also very organized. There is also a scan books on your end where you can go ahead and generate it to audiobooks. You can also create your own book by pressing the create options. Now, Dipstash is good for those people who are bookworms because there is a replace doom scrolling for microlearning, there are flip through facts, and skip the flop and focus on the ideas that you wanted on the book. So if you're a bookworm and you wanted to have reading on more convenient way, Dipstash is good for you.